Hi everyone, and welcome to the second introduction video of Key Practice. In this video I'm going to talk about how the levels work and the additional practice page. So right now I went up to the top main tab and I clicked on levels. That will bring you to this page, and then you can choose which level you want. So there's level 1, 2, 3, and 4, and you always want to start with level 1. So I clicked on level 1, and then it brings you to this page, and you can either choose activities or assessments. Obviously you need to complete the activities first, so you're going to want to click activities. And then you want to complete the lessons, and then once you are done with the lessons you can complete the activities. So in this lesson there's a correct body and hand position, so you're going to watch those two videos, then you'll do the homeroom lesson, and then when you're done you can play these activities or games. Then when you're done it gives you directions. It just says that once you feel ready you can go up to the top and do the assessments. So with Key Practice there is no timeline of when you need to complete the lessons. You might want to watch the videos and complete the lessons 4 or 5 times before you start playing the games, and then you might want to play the games for a while until you take the assessments. This is very challenging to complete the levels, so there is no specific timeline. It's just whenever the students feel that they're ready to take the assessment, then they can take the assessment. So once you're done with the level 1 activities, you can go to level 1 assessments. In each assessment there is a self-assessment checklist and then the final assessments. There will be two. There will be the level assessment and there will be the words per minute assessment, which is the same 1-minute typing test as the pre-assessment. So that's a little bit about the assessment. So when you get to the assessment, the students are first going to do the self-assessment checklist. This just lets them know if they're ready to take the final test. And then if they complete everything and they check everything off on the checklist, then they're going to stop and get their teacher, and then the teacher will give them the final assessment, which is the 2 tests. I also have a rubric for the teachers as well for each level. In order for the students to go to the next level, they have to at least get a 12 out of 15. And if they don't pass, that's okay. They just need to keep on practicing and go back to the level and rework it. So that's how every level is set up. So you have level 1, level 2. Again, you'll do the activities and then the assessments. Level 3. You'll do the activities and assessments, and then level 4, you'll do the activities and then the assessments. There's different activities in each level. So for example, level 1, I'm going to actually just go to the level 1 lessons. So in this level you're going to focus on the correct body and hand positions and home row. In level 2 you're going to learn about top row, and in level 3 you will learn about bottom row. Then in level 4 it's putting it all together, and then you work on also practicing some different keys like the shift key, the period, the comma, different keys like that. So that's kind of a layout of what you'll be learning in each level. Then when you finally complete level 4, I have a page for additional practice. Since there is no timeline for completing each level, the students are going to finish at different times. So let's say a student finishes, fairly quickly, then they can go to this additional practice page and they can click on these different links for additional practice. Now each link is basically just a typing website for kids. So most of them include games, lessons, and tests. Some of them are just provide different games. I really like Dance Mat because it actually has the hands for you for the kids to see. So I have 5 additional practice websites for the kids to go to, because it's important that once they finish level 4 that they don't just stop, because otherwise they're going to forget everything that they have just learned. So it's important to just keep on practicing even if you finish level 4 so that they don't forget what they have learned. So that concludes this video. Just to wrap up what we talked about the 4 different levels, what each level focuses on, and what is in each level. Again, level 1 is body and hand position as well as home row. Level 2 is top row, level 3 is bottom row, and level 4 is putting it together with special keys as well. And then in each level there are lessons and games for the students to play, and then assessments for them to determine if they can move to the next level. I also talked about the additional practice page, which is for students that finish earlier than other students. Thank you for watching this video. That concludes the videos for how key practice works and how to get started with key practice. If you scroll down, there is a page, or there is written instructions of how to get started as well. So good luck and thanks for watching.